This is one neglected aquarium. I'm Fear, and this is Fear the Reefer. Welcome back to Fear the Reefer. I'm Fear. It's been 5 years since I've had this Waterbox 220.6 running in my house. There's been lots of ups, lots of downs. There's a separate video of going through, what I regret, what I think worked well, didn't work well. But one of the things right up front that didn't work well is I over-automated the aquarium. It does water changes every day, so I'm not engaging with it every day. And so things kind of get out of whack, and then they don't get corrected quickly, and then it snowballs. For the last few years, I've been dealing with a green hair algae outbreak that has just taken over the entire aquarium. This year, 2026, I'm rededicating myself to the aquarium, and I'm gonna bring it back to its glory days. I'm gonna start doing manual water changes to really bring it back into shape. So I'm just gonna document the water changes and progress as I go, so that we can see if not going the nuclear route of dosing chemicals to eradicate algae can still work, and if we can make the tank shine again. So join me. Right off the bat in this section over here, there's a lot of coral that's just gotten taken over by the green hair algae and just slowly receded and died off. I'm just gonna rip the band-aid off, and anything that looks too far gone worth saving is getting chucked. I'm starting with just cleaning out the sand and siphoning out the sand. And the reason why I'm doing that instead of manually removing the algae that's growing on the rocks right out of the gate is, though I have automatic water changes every day, all that does is take out bad water and put in good water. That doesn't do anything for turning over the sand. I've tried sea stars, Dicerius, snails, urchins, sand sifting gobies, and those work for a period of time until the animal dies, and then it doesn't work anymore. And it's not really getting deep down in there. So by siphoning out the sand, I'm really gonna hit the nutrient sink that is this battery in there that's just feeding all that algae. And once I get that stuff out, then the next time that I come and do this will be to manually remove the algae off the rock itself. I'm hoping with that strategy I can slowly chip away at it, and in a few months I'll be pristine. Even after just siphoning out the sand and cleaning off the glass, the tank looks amazingly better. My parameters are still out of whack. More water changes to come. Next time I'm going to be taking out the turf algae by hand, putting in some fresh water, and that'll help me get back on track. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos just like this.